So I just got to the airport and checked in. Security was a little rough on me for my first time, but it's alright. Currently gonna wait for my flight, 2:45, and head to Phoenix first, and then off to Fresno, California. So I just landed in Fresno, and it's the welcome to Fresno sign there. Scary ride, but I survived. So just arrived in Fresno, and the first thing we did was get some pho with my brother-in-law and my sister. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this one. It's day 2 here at Fresno, and currently at Fresno State University. Orientation, trying to find orientation, I guess. And woke up to a beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful. So we just got done over here, orientation, photo shoot and everything, and we learned the national anthem. That's going to be our song that our introduction song. And so we're heading to Hmong TV right now currently. So yeah, I'm going to do a live performance, which that should be pretty fun. So wish me luck. Currently at Hmong TV. Set here. Gonna do an interview and a live performance. After orientation on TV, we're eating at the car. Hopefully it's a good. This is so good. I watched some Just Kidding films, but look at this. We got chicken, bacon, beef. Day 3, Fresno, California, and we are currently attending church. This is a Lao evangelical church that my sister and them go to.
Hong singing with the LSC youth group.
See how wonderful life, almost perfect from the outside. Picture phrase, I see my beautiful wife, always smiling, but on the inside. With
name is Mai Peng. I'm Pong's sister. He is officially staying with us right now. I'm kind of using his camera without his permission, but let's go check out what he's doing. Okay, here we go.
And we'll lights out again. And they came back together, same thing happened. Boom. And
So
they
we're barbecuing. California, Fresno.
So,
I remember back I heard like Lights Out used to be Rebels. I don't know if you ever knew that.
yeah, that was my cousin that started that team.
Oh really?
They started Rebels,
Oh yeah.
and then the team got into a big old fight over each other, and that's when they split and they became Lights Out.
what are you guys
Yeah.
talking about?
And my cousin they became
Black
enemies. pretty
Black
much.
football?
Oh really?
Yeah, that's that.
What did your cousin? Are they still playing now?
No, they all broke up, dude.
Oh.
I mean,
So you're enjoying your time here?
It's fun. It's fun. It's fun. Nice to barbecue and enjoy the weather a little bit.
Yes, Pang.
Meet the brother-in-laws.
David,
Go back that way.
Turn it off now.
and then say
I'll put that on the vlog.
barbecuing.
You got mom.
Oh,
Yeah,
where is she?
She's there. Show her up.
妈跟我去啊 Well, I guess he's enjoying his time barbecuing.
Dude, pretty much everybody.